Good afternoon, Concrete Basics. So ito na yung ano natin, pool area. Inanabox na namin yung pool area. Bali magsisecure lang kami niyan ng ano ng support. Pagka na namin ito, natapos na namin ito, and then na-prep na ito. Before namin buhusan yung ano, before we do the pouring, I will make sure that I will put an extra support from inside. Because like on this area, it's a weak part of the box. That one over there doesn't hold anything. And then I'll support it from inside. I'll put that one long timber bits in the inside, all the way back there. And then maybe 3 or 4 pieces in the middle, across this way. And then one in this area, just so we can use that timber to hold up this side of the boxing. Although it's just 100 mil thick of concrete, but we just want to make sure that it will not go anywhere. And then, by the way, I am doing a boxing for the round because the boss wants it round on that area. So I'm using a plastic boxing. We have 2 types of boxing, guys. For the straight ones, we often use this 55 mil of plastic box. It's an easy one. And then for the bendy type, you can use this one. It's 45 mil. So the boss wants it to be done on this side like this. So he want it to be done on that side, and then all the way here. Yeah. So yeah, just try one piece of what bendy boxing. Maglagay ka muna ng ng pin dito, Ayan. Ayan. Pakilagyan mo muna tayo ng pin dito.
Wow, boss. Isa lang.
Dito muna. So do you have clip?
None.
Oh my
Please
goodness.
help me.
Oh wait.
Tapos ito. O dito.
Maglagay ka pa ng isa dito sa side na to. Diyan. Yan. Wag mo nang sundin yung wag mo nang i-bend masyado. Ilabas mo pa. Yan. Hayaan mo muna yung ganyan. tingnan natin ito pag gano'n. I will just bend this one over like this.
Ito. Oh.
Yup.
Ah.
Sige, ayos na yan.
Ito.
Yung mahaba ha.
Putik pa.
Yep. Clip mo muna, clip mo muna.
Ay, tanga.
Relax ka lang, relax.
Maybe tanga.
Uy, uy, baka bad yan ha.
Hindi.
Ayan, okay yan. Yep, hanggang dyan lang yan, hanggang dyan lang yan. Yep.
Sa pa, boss. Ang guwapo ko.
Sige, lagyan mo muna dito sa malayo ng ano. Kasi temporary lang ito. Lagyan mo muna dito sa malayo ng isang ano. Kahit yung maiksi lang. Temporary lang naman ito na ano. Yan. Sayang na, dapat tuloy-tuloy na. Hindi, pwede na siguro nating i-fixin mamaya pagka talagang ano.
Bakit ano pang kunin mo ba ito?
Yung panambak. Sige. Sige, fix mo na yan kasi nakaano tayo. May bato yan, may bato, may bato. Iilag mo sa bato. I-atras mo dito, ilayo mo sa bato, ilayo, lumayo, ayan. Yep, clip.
Ay, buko! Tiny buko! In the rain!
So guys, ganyan ginagawa namin yung mga bin. May mga bin kaming ginagawa. Ayan, tapos yung mga straight boxing, bindi. So susundan na lang namin yung pagbin na yan. Ha? Eh, makaka-access yung truck. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Concrete Basics, and follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.